Welcome to How to Get into the Cybersecurity Field. After watching this video, you'll be able to list the skills, non-technical, and technical background of individuals aspiring for a career in cybersecurity, describe the different training options, describe the networking options providing cybersecurity information. Individuals aspiring for a career in cybersecurity do not require any scientific skills to enter the field. They should have a problem-solving attitude that drives them to resolve difficult situations. In addition, they should have an eye for attention to detail, have patience, and should welcome challenges. The applicants may be fresh undergraduates or an experienced professional looking to transition into a second career. Cybersecurity field can be a career option for both. Contenders can also be from non-technical backgrounds. Their unique skills can be an advantage when they transition into cybersecurity. For example, veterans and armed forces personnel enhance their strategic thinking and risk assessment skills during their service, which are vital in cybersecurity. Similarly, law enforcement officers are proficient at examining incidents and collecting evidence, both essential in cybersecurity investigations. In public service careers, individuals are knowledgeable about government-level clearances, which are also a requirement in cybersecurity. Project managers have strong organizational and communication skills, while technical writers can formulate technical information. Both skills are necessary in coordinating cybersecurity efforts. Those working in technical jobs may find a smooth transition to the cybersecurity field. IT support and help desk professionals have a comprehensive understanding of the IT infrastructure. Thus, it's easier for them to understand where vulnerabilities might exist. Software developers and networking specialists have the technical skills to comprehend and combat cyber threats at a deeper level. Aspirants wishing to opt for cybersecurity as a career should undergo the appropriate training, regardless of their background. Many educational streams are available, such as online courses. Online courses like this one from IBM provide a flexible and accessible way to gain foundational knowledge in cybersecurity. Online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer many classes that cover various cybersecurity topics, appropriate for beginners and advanced learners alike. Certification programs are an alternate pathway to attain training on cybersecurity. Organizations like the International Information System Security Certification Consortium, ISC, and CompTIA are instrumental in providing certifications for cybersecurity professionals. These organizations offer well-designed courses and rigorous exams that test a professional's ability to understand and apply cybersecurity principles. Certifications by these organizations offer a knowledge benchmark and are often a requirement or a distinguishing factor in cybersecurity job postings. Another training option is cybersecurity boot camps. They provide a more exhaustive and rigorous learning experience. Their duration can be several weeks or a few months, and they offer hands-on training in various cybersecurity methodologies and tools. In addition, college diplomas and university degrees provide a comprehensive education in cybersecurity. These are detailed programs that delve into the theoretical aspects and practical applications of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity internships and apprenticeships also present an opportunity to gain hands-on experience in a real-world cybersecurity environment. Apprentices apply their learning, can network with professionals in the field, and gain valuable experience that can boost their career. Each training option serves a unique purpose, and an aspirant can select any path depending on their career goals, educational background, and learning preference. However, in the evolving cybersecurity field, there is a requirement of continuous learning and upskilling. A cybersecurity professional's career revolves around lifelong learning. In this field, threats are advancing, and technology behind them is becoming more complex. Therefore, staying up to date with the latest vulnerabilities, countermeasures, and best practices is not only important, but also essential. This learning commitment can take various forms, including continuous professional development courses, attending industry seminars, or seeking advanced certifications. It could also involve staying active in online cybersecurity communities, where the latest threats and advancements are regularly discussed. Continuous learning ensures the relevancy of skills, enhances professional credibility, and contributes to career progression within the cybersecurity industry. Networking is another vital component when entering the cybersecurity field. It allows aspiring individuals to make important connections with professionals in the industry, learn from their experiences, and gain insights into the latest trends and threats. Participation in chapters such as ISC2 or ISACA enables individuals to stay updated on industry standards and best practices, and gain exposure to varied viewpoints. Online communities like Stack Overflow, Reddit Cybersecurity Subreddit, and GitHub provide a virtual platform where individuals can ask questions, share their knowledge, and learn up-to-date cybersecurity information from a global community of professionals. These platforms also often host discussions on recent cyber threats and countermeasures, providing real-time learning opportunities. Corporates organize conferences, seminars, and webinars that present the latest research, advancement, and trends in the field, providing an opportunity to stay informed of industry developments. Attendees often include seasoned professionals, industry leaders, and influential speakers, making these events a valuable networking opportunity. In this video, you learned that those aspiring to become cybersecurity professionals can be from non-technical backgrounds, such as veterans, armed forces, security personnel, law enforcement officers, project managers, and tech writers. Those working in technical jobs such as IT support, help desk, software developers, and networking specialists may find a smooth transition to the cybersecurity field. Cybersecurity aspirants should undergo training such as online courses, certification and diploma programs, boot camps, and internships. Networking allows aspiring individuals to make important connections with professionals in the industry.